on, me have to call you back, girl. Cause I wanna be with you. You grip me with the thing, but the honor you frack, girl. I would never leave you alone. I want you by my side. And the reason I'm ringing your phone, girl, me want you to know you have the tightest vagina. Print it like some girl of China eyes. The tightest. Tight, grip me, baby. Quint the pum pum like eyelash. Rough sex cause she love out the aisle dash. Girl, two you grip me, say my gosh. Give me out the door, say on the nigga like cash. Me walking her on and on and on and on. Baby, you want your rush, she a brawl and crawl and scream and go on. Cause the girl have the tightest vagina. Print it like some girl of China eyes. The tightest. Grip me, baby. Tightest vagina. Grip me, girl. Tight. Grip me, baby. As me on your fuck on your lip, me call you again. You say fi stop call you, it's like me dead. Babes, I just wanna say, your crotches, oh my God, it strike my cocky like a matches. I'm not saying you burn me, I just think your tight boom boom concern me. Please, believe me, yeah, sex experience. Me love them girl, yeah. Tip on your toe, baby. Ball for the cocky. Tightest scratches, see that girl. Tightest vagina. Print it like some girl of China eyes. You know pop down, yeah. Y'all tightest vagina. Print it like some girl of China eyes. Print the pussy like eyelash. You know pop down is not like the thing between your tie crash. Y'all, yeah. Believe me. Easy, at it. No time for plotted head at worst when the head plot, y'all. Yeah. See the bridge, yeah. Then she jump and she have the tightest vagina. Print it like some girl of China eyes.